Hisense gas range installation. Please read and follow the instructions in the owner's manual before you attempt to install, operate, maintain, or troubleshoot your gas range. Caution: the range is heavy. Have someone assist you with your home appliance to help prevent product damage or personal injury. Measure the install location's pathway, which includes hallways, corridors, and door entries, for proper clearance. If a door entry is too narrow, be prepared to remove the door. Situations such as stairway landings need extra clearance when turning the corner. Plan to remove any obstructions that may prevent you from moving freely through the delivery path, such as hand railings, shelves, or wall-mounted items. Lastly, measure the install location for a proper fit. Also refer to the instruction manual to know where the recommended electrical and gas outlet should be placed to avoid interference with the range. The install location's flooring should be level for optimal performance. Take a moment to see what tools are needed for installation. Unbox your new gas range. Remove all the packaging materials outside of it and inside the oven cavity. Remove the range from the foam base and place it near the install location. Take some time to learn the components that came with your range. Cast iron grates and griddle, burner heads and burner caps, instruction manual, warranty and quick guides, anti-tip bracket and screws. Since both the freestanding and slide-in gas ranges are shown in this example, components may vary. Before you purchase or install the gas range, make sure the install location is equipped with a grounded wall power outlet that has a 110-volt 15-amp setup, same as the gas range plug and most common electrical outlet that is in most US homes. Anti-tip bracket installation. Your new range comes with an anti-tip bracket to prevent the range from tipping over and causing personal injury or damage. Determine and mark the center line of the range cavity. The anti-tip bracket can be installed on either the left-hand or right-hand side of the cavity. Slide the anti-tip bracket against the wall in the cavity so that the center of the cutout of the bracket is 13 3/8 inches from the center line. With a drill, mount your anti-tip bracket securely to the wall using the 2 screws provided. Another option is to securely mount the anti-tip bracket onto the floor. Depending on your floor type, you may need to use a concrete drill bit which can be purchased at your local home improvement store. Gas supply line setup. Next, 2 gas fittings with a flare at one end and pipe joint compound will be needed. If you do not have these, you can purchase them at your local home improvement store. Apply pipe joint compound or putty around the pipe threads of the gas fitting only. Never apply compound or putty on the flare side of the gas fitting. With the gas supply line already turned off, insert the gas fitting with the applied pipe joint compound end into the gas supply line and turn clockwise to tighten. Use one adjustable wrench to hold the gas shutoff valve firmly while using a second adjustable wrench to securely tighten the gas fitting in place. Then attach one end of the gas connector to the flare side of the gas fitting. Use one adjustable wrench to hold the valve firmly while using a second adjustable wrench to securely tighten the gas connector in place. Using 2 wrenches helps prevent an accidental gas leak. On the back bottom right side of the range is the gas inlet. Insert the gas fitting with the applied pipe joint compound end into the inlet and turn clockwise to tighten. Use one adjustable wrench to hold the range's gas inlet firmly while using a second adjustable wrench to securely tighten the gas fitting in place. Then attach the gas connector to the flare side of the gas fitting. Use one adjustable wrench to hold the valve firmly while using a second adjustable wrench to securely tighten the gas connector in place. Assembling burner heads and caps. Carefully mount the burner heads over the corresponding burner without damaging the spark electrode, followed by the burner caps. Take note, 2 of the burner heads on the griddle differ from the rest. They do not have perforated holes. Rather than inserting the electrode into the burner head, the electrodes sit outside the griddle burners in an offset position. This particular layout of the burner heads for the griddle is designed for optimal performance and even heating. Once the burner heads and burner caps are seated correctly, place the cast iron grates on top. Gas range setup. Before turning on the gas supply line, the burners and knobs must be in the off position. Turn the gas supply line to the on position. Plug in your new gas range into the wall power outlet. A tone will sound and the control panel display will illuminate. To change the clock on the control panel display, use either the arrow keys or the numeric keypad to set the time. Once set, press the start button. Push the range into the cavity. Ignite each burner, making sure there's an even flame all around. If the flame is uneven, properly reseat the burner cap. Make sure the range is level. If not, adjust the 2 front and back feet as needed. Your new Hisense gas range is now ready for use.